Hey everybody, what's good? What's happening? Dual King 16 here, and today for all of you, if you haven't already seen one of my taste test videos, one of my recent ones, it is Yu-Gi-Oh! Chips. Well, I have 10 of these. So they come with cards, and I figured, might as well just go ahead and get the cards out. Yeah, and then eat the chips later. So that's what I am going to do. We're doing pack openings for cards on chips. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, so these are a part of the OCG. So they are in Japanese, and I have no idea what they might say, and I just really hope I don't cut the card. Let's see, maybe just a little snip is all it needs. No, it has to be more. Well, fine. I think it says that there are 20 cards in total. I think one of them is a Dark Magician. I don't know. I didn't bother looking these up. But later, I will probably add in what cards they are. So, this card... Oh, it's Dark Magic Attack. Okay, I know this one. Okay, well, cool. Yeah. Dark Magic Attack, okay. So, I guess I should go ahead and open this one, too. Since I have 10 of them, I'm just gonna do 5 videos, 2 each. Don't cut the card. Don't cut the card. Come on. Come on. Ah, close. Very close. I have a feeling that eventually I will cut a card. It'll be, I don't know, a rare card. Hey, Polymerization! Okay, I know that card too! Okay, so, 2 bags down, 8 more to go. But yeah, anyways, that's gonna do it for this episode of What's in That Pack. Remember to like this video, comment down below, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell so you never miss another video, and I will see all of you in the next one. So long, folks.